Hello guys, today we are at Orangeville test center and we are going to go to G2 test route. They have got 4 different test routes in Orangeville. We'll go all the test routes one by one, but just remember one thing, they just keep on mixing all these 4 routes. So make sure you watch all these 4 routes in my video. And if you still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Okay, let's go to Orangeville, the G2 route number 3. You park car in parking here, and then exam will tell you take a right here. When you're starting here, be careful, look around everywhere, everything is clear. We'll take a right here, right side, and keep in the rightmost side here. And the cars are coming from the opposite side, and be careful here. At some time we're taking truck test here too, be careful about that one too. Next stop sign we will take a left from the first stop sign. Stop completely, go further ahead, check anyone coming. Yes, car is coming fast, be careful about that. Yeah, cars coming from the left side also, be careful about that one too. Yeah, no one is coming now, we can turn left. Yeah, so against the 40 speed limit here, we'll take a left from the next stop sign. Be careful, take a left here, left from this stop sign. Route number 3 we will take a left from this stop sign. Route number 4 we will go to the right from this stop sign. Yes, we will take a left here. Maintain speed limit is 40 here. Keep on looking around, watch a pedestrian. Pedestrian is a king. If they're walking, just look at them. If they're coming in their way, just stop for them. In route number 1 we went straight from that stop sign. Route number 2 we went left from that stop sign. In route number 3 we are going to take a right from the stop sign. Take a right from the stop sign. Stop completely. Yep, look around. Take a right here. Yes, again this is always stop sign. Be careful. And somewhere in these streets they will ask you to do that 3.10 parallel parking like that in these cars here, and uphill and downhill parking. Yeah, look around, everything is clear. Yeah, and we'll take a right from the first traffic light. In these cars they will ask you parallel parking somewhere here. To learn the parallel parking you can watch my another videos also. Take a right from this traffic light. There's sharing signs for the cyclists also there. If there's a cyclist is there, you have to share the road. Light is green, I can take a right here. Yeah, speed limit is 50 here. In the community zone inside there's 40 and the main road is 50. It's 50 speed limit here. Just look around everywhere. Do a lot of observation, look in all the intersections, look at all the driveways, look for the pedestrian. Even if somebody is not following the rule on the route, you have to watch that one too. It's not like that you have to just watch what you're doing correctly. You have to watch what other people are doing wrong too. That's called defensive driving. We'll take a right from this traffic light. It's a 5th Avenue. We'll take a right here. When you stop behind the car, we should be able to see the wheels of the car on ground. That's the right distance to stop. We'll take a right here. Yes. Take a right here. Let's go straight Sometimes they take a right from here, sometimes from the next traffic light. We'll take from the next traffic light. Yeah, stop here. We should be able to see the wheels of the car. Right here. Speed limit is again 40 here. Is a community area, so speed limit is 40. Don't exceed the speed limit. And we'll take a left from the next stop sign. Stop. Let's see who came first. Look like that car came first. Now we stop. We are now first one here. We'll take a left here. Complete the stop for 3 seconds. And then we'll go right into the parking lot. We will take a right here. Keep on the right side here. So many times we're taking the truck test here, and so cars are coming from the opposite side. Be careful about that one too. So be careful. Keep it the rightmost side. Yeah, park pedestrian. Pedestrian is a king. If they're walking in front of you, just be careful. Sometimes you have to stop. You have to stop. Put the right indicator. Park on the right side. They may ask you back parking here too. And that's it. And then exam will tell you, okay, you meet the ministry standard today. You pass, you go get your license from inside. I hope you like my all these videos about your G2 test route. And if you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965.